Hello students, teachers, parents, history nerds. Hello everybody, and welcome to Nutshelled History, where we lay out the facts, the good, the bad, and the ugly. We continue with our Early America series by looking at Westward movement. Check the description down below for a fill-in-the-blanks worksheet that goes along with this video. I just ask that you like and subscribe. I apologize in advance for any mispronunciations. I do my best. As the population of the United States grew, land became more expensive, and some Americans began to feel crowded. The Northwest Ordinance and the Louisiana Purchase opened up new opportunities for Americans to own land, start businesses, and build new lives. The United States expanded west across the Appalachian Mountains and eventually across the Mississippi River. American migrants often traveled by boat along rivers and lakes. Forts and settlements developed along rivers. These became outposts and stopping points for travelers who were moving farther west. Americans used technology to ease and speed travel. Robert Fulton built the Clermont, a boat powered by a steam engine. The state of New York built the Erie Canal, which completed the waterway linking New York City to the Great Lakes. The National Road from Cumberland, Maryland to the Ohio River at Wheeling, Virginia, was the first national road-building project. These developments also eased and speeded the transportation of goods and raw materials. The economy and the population grew jointly. In the first half of the 1800s, the population of the United States shifted rapidly westward. Life on the western frontier was hard work. It changed traditional roles for men and women. As Americans adapted the challenges of frontier life, they changed the country. So, here it is. As America's population boomed, people started feeling a little cramped and decided, let's head west. The Northwest Ordinance and Louisiana Purchase opened up tons of land, and suddenly, everyone was off to build new lives. Thanks to Robert Fulton's steam-powered boat and the Erie Canal, getting around became easier, like upgrading from a beat-up bike to a shiny new car. Meanwhile, the National Road made cross-country road trips, or rather wagon trips, possible. Life on the frontier was tough, but it toughened everyone up and gave traditional roles a little shake-up, changing the country forever. There you have it, folks. That is Westward Movement Nutshelled. Thanks for stopping by Nutshelled History. Don't forget to move those like and subscribe buttons for me. See y'all next time on Nutshelled History.